Okay, I'll just show you how to set up a project in JBpm, how painful it is, and how to, you know, create a repository in a workbench, and then create a project in Eclipse and connect the project in Eclipse to that repository so that you can not so easily. Well, it should be much easier, but anyway, from Eclipse, using Maven, you can deploy that JBpm project that you created in Eclipse to the workbench. So you don't have to, use the workbench to upload your to manually upload your JBpm projects. Okay, let me start uh, the server first, and with it, it also starts the Eclipse that we're going to use for the development. The first thing that we have to do here is to create a repository. So we go to the workbench. Oh, gosh. What the fuck? Damn it. This is what I, you know, I don't like about JBpm. It's so inconsistent. It, Something's going on here. Maybe okay. It was cache. So go to administration. Let's create our organizational units first. Raka at demo.com, and then we can create a repository, new repository, repository name my demo. All right, associated with Raka, create. Okay, SSH. We will use this SSH so that we can, we can push to the repository. These are the git comments that we're going to use. Crispy. And we go to the workspace. So when you unzip the JBpm, you get this and run the install scripts, which is the and install demo and everything. You'll get this whole structure. Here's the Eclipse, here's the workspace, and here's the repositories of the artifacts that you're going to upload using Maven. Okay, so I'll go to workspace directory. And then I'll just do the clone. Hey, wait. The git clone command. So we'll have a new directory there named my demo. Boom. Wait. Something that someone is doing. Remote host identification has changed. What the? Okay, it happens because I just did a clean install of the JBpm. So let me edit this first. API users Raka. dum. Which one is my machine? I guess this is the one. Localhost. I'll delete this one. Dum dum. What else? I guess that's all. Let's try again. Yes. Okay, now we got it. You see, we got a new directory here. Demo. It's here. Isaraka JBpm 6 JBpm installer workspace. So now, what I want to do is create a project, a new JBpm Maven project. Of course, I want to have the files for my project under this directory, right? So I tried it this way first, and I'm getting this error on Eclipse. I don't quite understand what the error is about. So I did this trick. My I just create this project in the under the default directory, default location, directly under workspace. Finish. Oh, all right. Then I so here it is, the project. Then I move this folder into my demo. So we got here now, and I can restart the Eclipse. Of course, now it's not valid anymore, so we can just delete it. Okay, and I open it from the new location. Import existing projects into workspace. Browse. There it is. There you got it. Okay, so that's the first step. Actually, I was wondering why can I do it this way instead? So instead of creating the project on Eclipse, why don't I just create the project here and then check it out from from Eclipse. Okay, let me create a new repository, another one, another rep. Create, and here I create a new project. Okay. Okay, you got save. Okay, you got your project here. Project view. There's nothing there yet. So okay. Anyway, I can I thought maybe I can just check it out using this thing. Import git projects from git. Let me check what's the URL for this repository. Authoring, administration, repositories list, another rep SSH. There you go. Copy, dim, clone, name. What? Wait. Sorry. Why can I copy? Damn. Another rep. Repository path, another rep. Crispy. Next. I'll save it under workspace. So, there. Where's my workspace? There. Okay. Workspace, another rep. Next. Import as a general project. Next. Oops. Overlaps the location of another project. I don't get it. It just doesn't make lots of sense to me. So another project. Overlap with what? I don't even have another rep directory already. Let me see. Nope. Hey, there's why? Okay, maybe I need to change the name. Nope. What? So it. I don't get it. So it already checked out the whole directory structure, but I cannot instantiate the projects in Eclipse. So let me just cancel here and then import existing project. Maybe I'll have some more lucks with that. Workspace. Couldn't find any project here. So what about this one? So it's not. So this directory is not recognized as an Eclipse project. So usually usually there should be a target in Maven to create the Eclipse project from just using a Maven command like this one. But it doesn't have this this plugin, that Eclipse plugin. So that's the first thing. So this JBpm is, I don't know, it just there are just so many broken things that make the life of developer not any easier to cancel. So we're back to to the first approach that I just showed here. Now here we have the proper Eclipse project, Mavenize project as well. Here we need to do some modification in the POM XML. Why? I'll explain you later, but let me just copy some of the modification I made on another project. Where is it? There. I got it here. Wait. Hmm. All right. Dependencies. Okay, I need to add these 3 additional dependencies. No, this is right. Hey, there's something really wrong here. Oh, no, it's not wrong. There's no dependency. It's here. Oh. Yeah. Sorry, I have to just don't. Yeah, just separate them to make it clearer for the viewer. The first one here, the Kikai service client. I'm going to need it. Well, actually, normally you wouldn't need it in your JBpm projects, because it's only needed from the client. In case you want to communicate with the JBpm through REST interface, you're going to need this library. But I don't want to create a separate project in this demo, so I will have my tasks, my tasks main class in the same project as my business process project. So I'm going to need I'm going to need this library here to be used in the process main in my task class. But you will need to add these exclusions. Why? Something's really weird here, because the Kai remote comes with with a dependency to HTTP component, HTTP client, and its HTTP core version 4.1.2. But that version is it's not working with this library itself. So you need to upgrade to this newer version 4.2.1. So it made me wondering if they actually test this library before making it public, because this is so simple. It's there's a broken dependency in their own library. So to fix that, we have to add these exclusions, and then add this dependency to the new version. Save. There's another thing to add here. Yeah, I guess this one. I don't quite remember why. Let me see, repositories. But I needed to add it because, yeah, I guess this one, I remember now. This Kai service client is not available. Is not available here. Instead, it's available on the other repository. Well, I found out about it after searching through discussion forum, right, in Google. It's not in the documentation. Uh, Let me verify it. Let me, if I if I if I was telling the truth. Um, and sorry, event clean package. Oh no, sorry. I uh, I needed it for something else. I don't quite remember. So for in this demo, you can just ignore this part. You don't need to add it. But you will need to add this one for the for the Maven deploy plugin. So it tells the plugin to upload the artifacts, the jar, resulting from the Maven install deploy into this repository uh, with the following URL. So this JBpm server comes with a few other stuff, including a Maven repository to, you know, that stores the process definitions and all other artifacts like dependent libraries and everything. Let's rename this one. Well, we don't need to. So when you run the Maven target command, sorry, Maven package command, a jar will be created here in the target directory with this name, JBpm example, that corresponds to this one, and it belongs to this group ID. So the idea is we upload these artifacts, and then we can we can make a new deployment in the JBpm console that points to this artifact, to this jar. I'll show you. I'll show you now. So let's just oh, other things. To make it work, to make the Maven deploy work, you need to modify the settings.xml of your Maven. So if you look at the Maven preference here, your settings is stored here. So Originally, you don't have this. I don't remember. In fact, you originally you don't even have this settings.xml. It didn't exist, so you have to create it and just copy and paste this whole lines. This one is for the authorization, authorization to the Maven repository of our JBpm installation. Well, if you're familiar with Maven, which I'm not, you know what these lines are about. And okay, we're ready for our command. Maven clean install deploy. Wait, we need to do it from this folder. Maven clean install deploy. Okay, it's uploaded. Now we can see it from here. Authoring artifact repository. This is the jar that was uploaded by this Maven deploy command. If you look at the POM XML, we got the information about the group ID, artifact, and version of this artifact. Let's just copy paste this one. And now we're ready to deploy this. This is a JBpm project, so we're now ready to deploy this process. Deployments, new deployment unit, group ID, JBpm example, version, we'll leave it to the default values. Deploy unit should work, right? I click the button, but it's not responding. Okay, respond so slowly. It says deployment failed for some reason, which is this one. What? Number of transferred bytes cannot be negative. What does it mean? Okay, let me try it again. Let me try again. Com sample JBpm example one not snapshot deploy. Wow, I've never seen this error before. Transfer bytes. Jeez. Let me ask Google. Huh. There it is. It means that in your case you have dependency that cannot be resolved. I guess this is why I needed this this thing. This additional line. Weird. Okay. Right. So let me just make another deployment of the new version. We go back to this deploy artifact repository. Oh, it won't refresh. Yeah, it happens always. So I need to shift refresh, and it will take me, instead of to the same page, it will take me to the home page, and I'll need to go back to the this artifact repository. Um, okay, anyway, here is 10. This is a newer one. Let me check if it has the new repository that we just added. Okay, correct. It's here, right? It's the same group ID, artifact ID version. So I I, I thought that okay, even though there are multiple jars for the same artifact, this one com sample JBpm example 100 snapshot. I thought that the Maven will will resolve this, will resolve it to this latest one, but that doesn't seem to be the case. As I will show it here. Uh, Deployment. If I make a new deployment with the same information, com sample JBpm example 100 snapshot. Okay. The same error. So what I do then is I'm not very familiar with Maven, how its versioning works. We'll have to find out about it later. But for time being, my quick fix is just to increase the minor version and do another deploy. Okay, authoring. Of course, you don't want to do that in your development because otherwise your version number will increase quickly throughout your development cycle. Man, refresh. No, it doesn't respond. So shift F5. Okay, there is the latest one. Open 101. All right. Deployments, new deployment unit. Hey. One snapshot deploy. Hope it works now. Waiting. Shit. Oh, so I guess must be for some other reason. And what is that reason? Component dependency. Oh, yeah. Um, I guess no. I thought, is there a way to administer the repository? No, that's not the way. No, I was thinking of adding this one in somewhere in sorry, this line. This one somewhere in the JBpm workbench. But you see, the error message is very helpful. The the discussion forum is very helpful. Not it just say that something's wrong in your POM exam. It doesn't really say okay how. It doesn't even have give any hint how to fix that. Uh, okay. What if you know? Probably it's because of this one. It can't resolve the Kai service client. It's weird. Like if I remove this thing from the POM XML and also this thing, of course I will have to increase my version number. Okay, so this one is like as clean as I can get. Another deploy. Chain. And now another deployment. Shopify. You see now I don't have any dependency to HTTP client and a HTTP core. Okay. Deployment. New deployment unit. JBpm example. Snapshot. Deploy. Okay, I guess it's another error. What? Damn, this is really... Can you really go wrong with this? Okay, let me create another project. Another approach. Project Maven another simple one. Finish. And package. I'm not going to run deploy because I'm going to deploy it using the workbench. Maven package. Yes. Oh, the same problem. First I need to modify the artifact name. Uh, then Complex exemplex. One more time. This is the jar that we're going to download. To upload, sorry. Go to artifact repository, upload, choose file. JBpm installer, another simple one, target, exemplex, open, upload. Okay, I can see that. Refresh. You can refresh. You have to refresh on the browser. Jeez. Authoring artifact repository. Where is it? I can't see that. Refresh. Jesus, this is so amazing. 10. Is it? I think I'm quite sure I uploaded exemplex. This. No, this is not the one. Really? Refresh. Nice. Let's try one more time. Exemplex snapshot. Upload successfully. Oh, wow. Hey, where is it? Okay, this one. Why is it renaming my exemplex? Oh my god. JBpm. I'm quite sure we have exemplex here. Another simple one. POM XML. Simplex, JBpm exemplex. If we unzip this JBpm exemplex, what? Hey, what? It creates. Really? We have two POM here? I don't get it. Why? Really? Oh, maybe I need to. Oh, right. Yes. Maven clean. You need to clean first, and then now I need to upgrade the version 101. And clean package. Boom. Okay. Okay, now we only have one POM XML. Right? Okay, this one. Upload, choose file, go. Finally, we got this one. Open. Com Samplex, JBpm Samplex 101 snapshot. Deployments. New deployment unit. Com Samplex. What? JBpm Samplex 101 snapshot. Deploy. Oh, another error. Let's see. Wow, the same error. Number of transferred bytes cannot be negative. What the? You see, it's just one simple basic standard JBpm project created using their plugin, uploaded using their workbench, and it still has errors. We haven't touched any code here except the POM XML just to just to rename this artifact, and that's it. So I don't get it. Yeah, I remember there was something I I had to do in the JBpm server, modifying some of its configuration, but I don't quite remember. Now I need to redo this thing again. Uh, let's see if anything to do here? No. Okay. Lots and lots of people are having this problem. Huh. Nice. Really? Oh my god. So they haven't really solved this issue, these known issues. from version 6.0. Now we're in version 6.1. When a kjar with missing dependencies is uploaded. What missing dependencies here? I don't use any third-party library. I'm just using, well, their library. Let me just try running it. Okay, it's running, but using a embedded standalone process engine. It's not deployed anywhere. Dependencies. Okay, it depends on something here. Okay, I guess. All right. The dependencies, the Maven. So it depends on. Let me see. So I guess the JBpm server cannot resolve one or some of these jars. I mean, come on, guys. I mean, this plugin and the GB and the server, you know, they should be developed in coordination, in sync. So if the plugin generate a project that depends on 10 libraries by default, then the server should be able to resolve those 10 libraries out of the box without without us as the application developer have to do anything with the configuration of the server. Properties. Java build library. How to see their dependencies graph. I remember there's a menu here. To see the dependency graph. Anyway, I think I need to pause the video for a while I'm trying to resolve this issue because I can't even deploy a simple project using the workbench. That's the basic approach, the most basic approach. Wait. Okay. All right. See you later.